Unlike the Model S and X, the Tesla Model 3s and Ys only have that main screen. And that main screen I'm talking about is this one right here. A lot of people miss having something right here. I have some good news for you though. Not only can you put something right there, but you can make it to where it's your phone. And you might be like, wait, why would I want my phone on here? Well, let me tell you why. Your phone is basically an extension of you. So having your phone right here is basically having part of you right here. This means your YouTube, your maps, any games you play, it's available right here. And out of the way of this sneaky little camera. Okay, so how do you get this? Your steering wheel looks like this, right? Okay, well, it might not look like the one I have, but the back part looks the same. Entering the video is this guy, and this guy, all it does is it cups onto the back right here, and it provides a nice place for you to put your phone, but not just your phone, right? You see these little hooks right here? That's where your phone sits in, but it also provides this back here. So you can put stuff like chapstick, you can put stuff like mints, heck, even your wallet so you don't forget it, you can put it all right here. Now you might be like, oh my gosh, it's a little heavy. Well, once you put stuff in it, sure it is, but it has some strong 3M adhesive on the back. So if I just take everything out for a second and we look on the back right here, we can see this little white strip. All we gotta do is peel it off. There we go. We got our adhesive right here, and then all is left to do is just stick it on. Let's apply that. You can check out the little cutout it has right here for your gear stocks. Woo! Sits nice and flush right there. Now, before I put everything back in, check out the little grooves it has everywhere, and that's just to hold everything nicely in place. A little bit of friction so nothing's sliding around. You can even put your wallet in here if you wanted to. If you run out of storage space, I have another video where I also have this in my Tesla. This is also from the same company, so I'll have a link for this in the description below as well, but pay attention to this one because this is where your phone goes. So if I go ahead and pull up Google Maps and I want to go somewhere, all I gotta do is just slot it in right here. It's very tight, so your phone's definitely not gonna go around. It takes a little bit of friction to get it in there, but boom, you have your phone sitting just like this. And this is perfect if you want to use Waze, right? A lot of people use Waze and you don't want to use the Tesla navigation, or you can still reach the home button. I can swipe around, I can open Spotify. There's a ton I can do having another screen right here. And yes, there are aftermarket screens, but those are really expensive, and not all of them are made the best. If you're using your phone, you'll know what you're using. You'll be comfortable and very familiar with it already. So let me know, guys, what do you think? Would you get this to put your phone right here? I think this is a great way to have a second screen on the cheap. And if you wanted to charge your phone, you could still, no problem, just run a cable up and plug it in. Here, I'll show you. So boom, let's pull this cable out here. All we gotta do is just plug it in and it's gonna start charging. That's awesome. I think I would really use this for my Spotify, just to have this on deck, or even maps, and then I would be very comfortable leaving my cameras up like this. I love having the cameras up while I drive. So let me know if you guys would use something like this for your phone, or if you prefer it just because it has this extra storage back here. I wanna know your thoughts. It's pretty low profile and it really looks like it goes with the steering column, don't you think? I have a link for this in the description below the like button, so you can pick one up for yourself, or if you have another Tesla in your life, you can pick one up for them, or heck, even both. So check this out, check out the other stuff they have. Come on, let's modify the Teslas here. All right, later y'all.